guys can see the arrow right here, showing you that it's all aligned now. If you're doing iPhone back glass replacements, laser alignment is everything. Get it wrong and you burn parts you don't want to. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily align and calibrate a laser machine for perfect cuts every time. To demonstrate this, I'll be using my SRWOR laser machine, but the process should be almost the same for most budget-friendly laser machines. So to start, the first thing you want to look for is a number. On the SRWOR laser machine, there's always a number on the right side, but look around your laser machine to see if you can find it. Here you can see mine says 97.8 and 46.9. So I'll just put in a phone, grab my controller and hit home. So just setting up and get into the home settings. So there you can see the one on the laser machine is 97.8 and 46.9. On my controller, it says 97.8 and 46.9. So that shows it matches. That's the correct alignment it should be. So make sure if you're checking yours, it shows that the number on the machine is the same number as what you have on your controller. Now you see mine says alarm. That happens sometimes. Hit the reset button and unlock. Now you can see it says idle. That's where you want it to be at. Once you have it off alarm and it's now idle, make sure you always hit the set origin and confirm. Once you make any changes, you want to always make sure you hit that and confirm. That way it stays there. After you check the number on your machine and you try to check the one on your controller and it's off, like you can see now mine is 92.8 and 11.9. That's way off. If I try to run the laser machine right now, the laser will be off the line and make damages on the phone or on the laser machine. Just like you guys can see here, that has happened to me before. So you can see right here, those are marks when it was off. So we just want to align the laser, which is somewhere below here where the laser comes out from. To do that, you see the button right here. We want to hit this one, not the MM/S one. We want to go for the MM one. So here we're gonna hit this one, touch anywhere below or on top. So right here, tap to get out. The up and down buttons control the lower number, while the right and left buttons control the upper number. Now go back. And you see it's at 5 mm. That's the speed at which it's going to move. So the easiest way to understand these numbers is that the higher numbers will move your machine or the number quicker, while the number like 0.1 mm will move your machine or the number slower. We'll fix the bottom number first, which was 46.9. We'll leave it at 5 mm so we can get to 46. Right now you can see it's at 1. So we're just going to push the up button and get it to 40 something. Then we're going to use the slower speeds to get it to the exact number we want. So we're at 35, 41, 46. Mine went to exactly 46.9. But if we want to be more precise, I want to go to the lowest number, which is this one. So let's say yours was off at 7. Right, so we see 700. So I'm just gonna push it one. It's at 8 and one more at 9. So we have 46.9. So we can see the bottom one is 46.9. Perfect. So that's where we want to be. Now we have to fix the top number. So we'll do the same thing. So we'll leave it at 1 mm because we're trying to change the second number. So we'll go here, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, now we have it at 97. Also, if you're trying to fix the decimal number, so mine is at 7. We want to push it to 8. Make sure it's set at 0.1 mm. Okay, so we're going to push 1, and that's going to take us to 97.8. Okay, you guys see that now? It's at 97.8, which is what we have there, 97.8. And the bottom one is 46.9. And there we have 46.9. So now they match. We just want to make sure we have it saved. So you're going to go set origin and confirm. If you don't set origin and confirm, every time you turn off your machine, you have to do that setting again. So now it's going to stay set up like this. And also, if you're having trouble to get this set up, make sure it's at idle. So do the reset. So hit your reset and unlock, and it'll keep it at idle. So earlier, you guys noticed mine was saying alarm. So at the top right there was saying alarm. Now it's saying idle. Idle is what you want it to be at. Now it should be perfect. And we'll just do a quick test. Just test if it's in line. Now it's all set up. Go to File, iPhone, go to 14 Pro, pick any one. We're not going to start the machine yet. So make sure once you get here, make sure you preview twice as what is recommended. We'll hit preview once. And now you see the machine is just showing us exactly how it's going. I'll just take this off so you guys can see that line. You want to make sure that line is at the middle. It's showing you exactly where it's going to cut. You can see mine is now at the middle. I'll preview it a second time. You guys can see the arrow right here. See that? It's showing you that it's all aligned now. If yours is off, you just have to make sure the number in your machine and the one on the controller are the same. If you want more tips on the SRWOR laser machine or iPhone glass replacement, hit the subscribe button and let me know in the comments what you want next. If you'd like to see how I use this laser machine to fix iPhone back glasses, check the video on the right. And for a repair playlist, check the playlist on the left. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.